Welcome, friends, and what a beautiful day to play. Miss Muffin here, so let's get started. Today, we're going to play with the Lego creator, Rainforest Animals. So, there are three things that we could make. We can make a chameleon, we can make a piranha, or we could make a parrot, a frog, and a fly. What should we make? I really like fish, so let's make this piranha. And here we have the piranha finished. I want to eat things. Whoa, piranha! I made you to just be peaceful. So you need to just be peaceful. Okay. So the piranha's little fins move like that. And this. It can swim in the water. And remember, you see all these other Legos here? We can make two other things, but first we'd have to take apart the piranha. So we can make a chameleon, and we can make a parrot, a fly, and a frog. So, what would you make next? Well, that's all the time I have for today. I'm gonna go swimming. Woohoo! Oh yeah, but don't forget to subscribe to the Miss Muffin channel. I'm hungry.